with Gary and James from Stacknetic. We've just done two 90-minute workshops to complete our brand tree template and humanize the brand by asking some very odd questions, but these sessions are often fun and illuminating. Gary, how was that for you, as they say?
Yeah, I came into this with an open mind. I had hundreds and hundreds of things that I could have been doing. Certainly yesterday, we had a 2-hour session, and I really enjoyed it. It was amazing how you can have a chat. First of all, you make it fun, but all the time, you know that you've got a process to go through, and it was just really enjoyable. I was looking forward to today. Today's been a little bit different. We've had to think a little bit longer and a bit more in detail, the questions that you're asking us. But I think if you can make things fun, and then you can do your magic and get something out of it that we need, what's not to like about that? It's amazing.
That's great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thanks, James. Is there anything you'd like to add to that? You came out with some gems during our sessions, which was great. Thanks.
Oh, thank you. Again, I'd just like to repeat what Gary said. The process really worked. I did have an open mind when I came into it. I wasn't skeptical, but I was a bit nervous about what might come out of it. But I think we've come up with some fantastic ideas, and again, it's been really, really enjoyable. And as you say, there's been a few gems, a few great key pieces of information that we didn't really think about. So it's been wonderful, really.
Great, thanks. I've learned a lot as well. Some nice little anecdotes came out over the last 2 days. So thanks again. We'll crack on now with the next stages. But thanks again, and thanks for doing this little testimonial. That's really kind.
Thank you.